Hi guys, it's Melanie from She Stitchin', and I'm really excited this morning. I got a new ergonomic crochet hook set from Boye in the mail, and I'm really excited to try this out. The reason why I chose this set over all the other sets out there is I already had this Boye, and it was my favorite hook. And I have a couple other ergonomic sets, or ergonomic single hooks that I bought in order to test them out before I bought a whole set. And I really like the Boye set because of how I hold it. It works great, the flat area here, and it's such a relief on my hands to be opening up something, or to be holding something thicker than the smaller aluminum hooks that I grew up using. So this is the case. It's pretty cute. It's got a nice little embellishment there that I'll probably end up changing. And then on the inside we have 7 different hooks, and they go, in the American terms, they go all the way from E to K. And there's a couple extra spaces here, and it also came, let's open this up, it opens up really nicely. It also came with these 2 yarn needles in 2 different sizes. It looks like it would work. Let me see what I have. I've got to sew in the ends on this still. This is from our cobblestone stitch. Yeah, that'll work on the, this is a size 4 cotton. It'll probably work really easily. I have a weird camera angle here, so there we go. Yeah, that's great. And then this will probably work on a thread or something, even, or a crochet thread size 10. Which I don't have at hand right here. So those are cool. It came with those, and these are also very sturdy. I don't feel like they're going to break or anything, and they're not too sharp on this edge if you're having to push through really hard. But they do have nice, wait for my camera to focus. I don't know if it can focus on that. They do have nice edges here. It also has a little pocket here for scissors. And this is where the needles were, but I'm a little bit nervous leaving them there just because my kids, so I'll put them in the zipper section. So the hooks themselves, like I said, it's the E through K. They have the pretty rainbow colored shafts and the same color down here. My only problem with this set is that there's not more hooks. They go by the American US terms, so we've got E, by the letters. And my problem with the American letters is that you skip some of the important hooks, right? Like it goes 3.5, 3.75, and then it skips the 4, and it goes to 4.25. And then we have 5, 5.25, and then it skips the 5.5, and it goes to 5.75, and then it skips a 6, and it goes to 6.5. Which, I would like to have the 4 and the 5.5 and the 6, which are probably why there's 3 pockets left, and I'm probably going to end up ordering those also. But I'm really happy with this set. So I pulled out the E, but let me go ahead and pull out one of the heavier ones. That's really snug. That's nice, because my boys like to steal my things. Just to show you the design on there. It feels very nice in my hands to be gripping something nice and thick as opposed to gripping something smaller that I'm used to. And I think, when I'm doing a lot of fancier stitches, like maybe the feather stitch, let me see if I have it here. Yeah, where it has a lot of loops on the hook. It might be a little bit of a struggle, but it should. Let me see if I have any yarn. It should be okay. This is my current work in progress. Let me just. This is a size 4 cotton yarn, so I'll just pull out the G. Slides really nicely. Let me just try to do a star stitch because that's a stitch that has a lot of loops. So the reason why I want to try the star stitch with a lot of loops is because I don't know how many loops I can fit onto this shaft here. The star stitch uses 6 loops on and they kind of space out, so let's see. All 6? Yep, there's actually a lot more room there than I imagined. Let's see. Oh yeah, that pulls through very nicely. Yeah. Ooh, I'm gonna like this. Alright guys, so I'm hoping to put an affiliate link in the bio if you guys want to try that out, but I bought this on my own because I really liked, yeah, that's nice. I really liked and this is the tight weave stitch down here on the bottom if you're wondering. I had this 3.75, the F hook already, and I had a couple different ergonomic sets or ergonomic single hooks that I was testing out, and this one was definitely my favorite, the Boye. I wanted to try them out before I bought the whole set. So I got that one, I think I got it from a Walmart quite a few months ago, and I found myself, this is a 3.75 F hook, so I found myself, even when the pattern called for maybe an E, the 3.5, or a 4mm hook, I was using this hook to, instead of, you know, I've got plenty of these, but I wanted to use this hook instead of, I also have a 4.5 that's a different ergonomic hook, but I liked the way this one felt so much that I was using the needle or this hook, even though it wasn't the right size, because I just liked it so much. So that's why I went ahead and decided on this pack. So if you have any questions, ask down below, and thank you for joining me for a few minutes. Nice strong zipper if you want to check out the case a little bit more. It's a little bit bendy, or it's not. See, actually it doesn't really bend on the hooks in there, but it is a little bit flexible if you're trying to pack that into your suitcase, which I know I will be trying to do. So if you guys have any questions about that, ask me down below. And this is I didn't want to open it on screen because it's very crinkly, but that was straight out of the bag. So if you guys have any questions, comment down below. Please give my video a like and check out some of my other stuff while you're here. And if anybody asks where I am, just tell them she's stitching.